Got an API file from Adobe Photoshop containing ink settings for color separation work? These files configure professional printing workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through using Adobe Photoshop Inks files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single API file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. API files are Adobe Photoshop Inks files, containing custom ink color definitions for print production workflows. They define spot colors, ink characteristics, and color values used in CMYK separation printing, duotones, and specialized printing processes within Photoshop's color management system. API files use Adobe's proprietary format storing ink color specifications, including CMYK values, densities, trapping parameters, and color names. The format integrates with Photoshop's custom ink system, enabling consistent specialty printing color reproduction across projects and production environments. The default, recognized opener for API files is known to be Adobe Photoshop CC from Adobe Systems Incorporated. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows offers only basic viewing, so tools or documentation are needed to interpret them correctly. Your essential first move: right-click the API file and choose Open With. If Adobe Photoshop CC is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If your API file still refuses to open, stay calm. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, loading in Adobe Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop and access ink settings through Image then Mode, then Multi-Channel, or through Edit, then Color settings. Use the Load Inks function to import the API file, applying its custom ink definitions to your current document for accurate spot color and specialty printing workflows. Next, managing custom inks. Within Photoshop's Custom Inks dialog, after loading the API file, review and modify ink properties as needed. Adjust ink colors, densities, and overprint behaviors to match specific printing conditions. Then save updated configurations back to API format for use in other projects. Finally, sharing with print production. Distribute API files to print service providers and production teams to ensure consistent color reproduction. Combined with ICC profiles and proper color management API files, complete the color workflow chain from design through final print production, maintaining color accuracy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.